OpenClaw is an open source AI agent gateway. What that means in plain language is it connects your AI model to the tools and platforms you already use. Messengers like Telegram, Discord, WhatsApp, APIs, custom workflows. It acts as a bridge between the raw intelligence of M2.7 and the real world tasks you want it to handle. Once you've got M2.7 running through Ollama, you connect it to OpenClaw like this. Ollama launch OpenClaw model Minimax M2.7 cloud, and now you have an AI agent running, connected to whatever platforms you've set up, able to receive tasks and execute them without you having to babysit it. Minimax's own documentation actually shows a Telegram plus M2.7 plus OpenClaw quick start. You set up a bot through BotFather, configure the token, handle the OAuth, load in your skills, and then you've got an AI agent you can message from your phone at any time, and it will actually go do the work. Think about what that means for a minute. You're on the road, you pull out your phone, you send a message to your Telegram bot, you say, research the top 10 AI automation tools released this month and write me a summary. And M2.7 through OpenClaw goes and does it while you're doing something else. That's the dream, right? And now it's real. Right? Now here's where I want to bring this back to something concrete, because I don't want this to just be a tech demo. I want to show you how this actually works in a real business context. In the AI Profit Boardroom, we're constantly looking for ways to automate the work that eats up time, research, content planning, outreach, community management, customer support. The list goes on. And the challenge is always, how do you get an AI to do this work consistently, reliably, and without you having to prompt it manually every single time? This is exactly what the Minimax plus OpenClaw plus Ollama stack solves. Let me give you a real example of how I'd use this. Let's say I want to automate research for the AI Profit Boardroom. Every week, we need to know what's new in AI, what tools dropped, what updates happened, what's worth sharing with our community members. Right now, that takes time. Someone has to go find the information, synthesize it, and turn it into something usable. With this stack, here's what the workflow looks like. I set up OpenClaw with M2.7 connected to a Telegram bot. I give it a standing instruction every Monday morning, search for the top AI updates from the past 7 days, write a summary in the style we use for the AI Profit Boardroom, and send it to me in Telegram. That's it. The agent runs on schedule. It does the research. It writes the summary. It delivers it to my phone. I review it and send it to the community. What used to take 90 minutes now takes me 5 minutes of review time. And this is just one use case. You could do the same thing for competitive research, keyword tracking, content ideation, customer onboarding, follow-ups, you name it. Now let me talk about the agentic behavior of M2.7, because this is actually the thing that separates it from most models. M2.7 is built for true agentic use. What that means is it doesn't just respond to prompts. It can build and refine its own agent harnesses. It can run self-feedback loops where it evaluates its own output, spots the weaknesses, and improves on them. It can recursively optimize workflows, meaning it gets better at the task the longer it works on it. This is huge for coding specifically. Let's say you give M2.7 a coding task, not just write this function, but build me this entire feature. It will write the code, test it, find the bugs, fix them, and iterate until the output is actually solid. And with a 200,000 token context window, it can hold the full context of a real project without losing the thread. For the AI Profit Boardroom specifically, I could use this to build custom automation scripts, integrate APIs, create onboarding flows, or build out internal tools. Things that would normally require a developer sitting down for hours, M2.7 can run through that work as an agent, ask clarifying questions via Telegram when it gets stuck, and deliver the output when it's done.